Part two in creating a time-lapse video is adding your voiceovers on top of your video that is now silent. So we're going to scroll down to our audio layers, and then on either of the audio layers, I'm going to click the little red record button. And then over here, there should be a microphone that I can click on. If you see any messages pop up that say you need to add an extension, go ahead and allow those permissions and install the extension. That may or may not happen depending on your computer. So once you're ready to record, I'm going to go ahead and click on this little record button, and it's going to give me a countdown. And hey, now we're live. Now I'm actually recording audio that's going to be put into my video. When I'm happy with that audio, I'm going to go ahead and press stop. And then I'll notice right here on the right-hand side that audio has loaded a little preview for me. If something went wrong, you can press the trash can to delete that from your timeline. If you're happy with it, you can press the green check mark. One little note here, sometimes this does take a little while to render. In that case, you may have to wait maybe a minute or two. If it's more than a minute or two, and this is still saying, hey, saving to server, especially for something that's a shorter clip, you may just want to click the refresh button on your URL bar, and a lot of times that recording will show up in your timeline. It may take a couple tries to get your voiceover to show up in the audio layer. It just took me about 3 different tries to get it to show up, but eventually it will. And you'll notice if you look in audio, the layer 1, you'll see there's a little red box right there that contains my audio recording. And so you want to try to make sure that your voiceovers match up to your video that you put in there, your time-lapse video. So you'll want to hit play and make sure that everything matches up. And then you should be all set to finish your video.